Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the Roblox error code 403 error code. Now this is an authentication, a failed error code, and it's very easy to fix. So the first thing that we want to do is simply open up our search bar and type in network connections. Now what this will do, it will open up the control panel with the network connections. Now the first thing that we need is the network connection that we're using. So for me it's the Wi-Fi one. So simply right click it, go down to properties, and once you're in the properties, simply head down to the Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4. This is very important, and open up the properties. Now what you will do is simply change the obtained DNS server address automatically to use the following address. Now type in for the preferred one the 8888 and then 8844. Simply press OK, close it, and this will be connected to a way faster DNS server. Now the second thing that we want to do is simply going down to the search bar once more right here and type in run. Now open up the application, and what you want to type in is this code, percentage local app data percentage, and press OK. Now from here there is a load of local app data. Now what this does, this local app data, it simply keeps all the local files, the temporary files, which can be deleted. Now here you see the Roblox folder. If you can't find it, simply type in a Roblox, and what this will do, it will show the folder. You can right click it, and from there you can delete the folder. Now as you can see, it starts to delete it, and that should be it. Now if you still get any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Restart your PC, leave a like and subscribe, and most importantly, thank you for watching.